Hello and welcome to the furnished house tour, and I hope you're excited. If you've not seen my empty house tour to see where this started, go and watch that video. I will link it up in the cards. But this is our finished house tour, so if you've watched that, you may spot some very big differences in the living room. Fortunately, the iron burn is still there. We cannot solve that. We will wait until we move out, probably. That's never going to go away. But it's character. The house has character. We did move the sofas so they were opposite each other because that sofa was making that wall damp. So I bought these really cute cushions from IKEA just to spruce up the sofas a little bit and make them a little bit more comfortable. We did put our little side table here where we can put coasters, post and a diffuser just so we can have like drinks there as well. So that's our sofa. And then our coffee table, we got just tissues and some coasters for now because we will add more personality to the house when we're all living here all the time. We did also, I bought this TV. Well, my parents bought this TV for me. Then we bought these tables, and then this is just like our little media setup. So we've got my Nintendo Switch box on there, so when we want to play with Nintendo Switch on the TV we can. Broadband box and our TV and controllers. And I really love it. It's so cute in this little alcove. Most of the time the blinds are shut, but it is nice to have the nice light in here. And if you saw my empty house tour, you probably saw outside this window. And now you can see that my dad has picked up the fence and screwed it back up so that fence is now up and we can get out of our back gate, which is amazing. Like, what more do you want? For this part of the house tour, I'm going to show you the kitchen, which automatically you can see these yellow like post-it notes. These are just labeling whose cupboard is whose drawer is whose, just to make moving in easier. We got a bin, a recycling bin. There's our old bin. It's not very good and it falls apart very easily. Slow cooker and kettle, which are both mine, but we share the kettle as a flat because I don't use the kettle much. Draining board, sink, that sort of thing, normal. So this here is my shelf, which my mum lovely put all my food away, thank you. So we've got like spices and herbs and stock pots and cereal. My squash is up there, but I'll probably move that soon. Toast and toasty. Now these are my cupboards and my drawers, so I'm going to show you. So this is my cutlery drawer. Now this is the communal drawer, but most of it is mine. So we just share our kitchen roll, tin foil, bin bags that we've got as a house, and toolkit, that sort of thing. Just basic things that you want to share. In here is a bunch of candles as well for birthday cakes. And then this is my cupboard. So this is how I've organised my glasses and my plates and my pans. Pans is really hard because I had a separate cupboard for it last time. So this has been really interesting trying to put it in a cupboard. And then food. Then we got the fridge freezer, which I'm not going to show you inside because it's just a lot of food. The oven. If you watched the house tour originally, you know the washing machine is here, but we bought a tumble dryer because the house is very damp, so drying the clothes inside would have been a big challenge. So we've got a tumble dryer. We have to open the window to put the piping outside, so we only use it when we're in. And we've got our drying rack and a little step stool that just opens up. It's very cute. Opens up like that, so we can stand on it to reach the window because only one of us is 6 foot, the other two are not, so we need to make sure we can reach. That's that. Our boiler, which hopefully is getting fixed soon, fingers crossed. Then in here we have our bathroom. So our toilet didn't have a toilet roll holder, so we bought this little stand thing. It has 3 and then like the one hanging off. Toilet, bathroom bin, so there's something on it at the minute because I think the sink's leaking, so we're just gonna, when I've used the sink, we'll see if it's leaking. Got a suction cup for our soap dish. I need to take those back, those are just mine because I haven't emptied them out. And that's mine, because the other two boys, they've moved in, but because it's only August, they're not staying over summer, so most of their stuff's away. Some cleaning and like softener, toilet bleach, dryer sheets, that sort of thing, just on a basket on the end of the bath. The bath, which now has a bath mat and a shower curtain, and this bath mat, which matches the hand towels. This is the shower curtain. Says get naked. I thought it was kind of ironic and cute. And then I've got my razor up there, which you'll see about in my sustainable student video in a few weeks. And then we've got our drawers. So we've got my drawer, which has my shower cap and then all my stuff. So I do shop at Lush for everything. Also my sustainable student video. Then we got the communal drawer, which is the cleaning cloths, extra soap bars, and then sun cream. Then down here we've got kitchen roll and toilet roll. And the bottom, the spare towels and mats, so we can put kitchen towels, bath towels and things like that in there. And then on the back of the door we have a little suction cup rod, so we have our hand towel here. And then 2 little hooks for our bigger towels. We also have our mirror, which I think is very nice. Just needs to clean. Here is my room. And my lovely double bed with my bedside table. My wash basket is over here. Now my bedside table has a wireless charger, my Echo Dot and lamp, picture of my cats, some tissues and the coaster as usual. Above my bed we have this lovely love heart that you can see me making in some of my other videos, and some star fairy lights around. Above my bed is some bunting with more pictures and my accreditation pass from the Commonwealth Games. On my windowsill I have this project that's coming up soon and a plant, one of my favourite plants. Over here I have my shoe rack, which is missing a pair of shoes as you can tell, and in this box is blankets and towels that are folded. On top sits my gym bag so I don't put anything on the floor. Here is me. Hi, this is my mirror. I am wearing shorts, my work shirt is just very long. Here is a chest of drawers that has so many things organised in them, which you'll see in my video coming out later this year. This is my get ready station, so I have my deodorants, my body sprays, mascara, hair stuff, hand gel, everything you could possibly need to get ready. And then some cute little Lego decorations and more pictures of my friends, family and the people I'm living with. Storage spaces, my slow cooker box, my wardrobe, which is also very organised, if I do say so myself. Then we got my desk, which is my chair and my cushion on it that my grandma made me. Big plants, my table stand, which is my laptop, my iPad out. My bag is stained, I'm going to get a new one for my birthday. Some awards and another thing. My owl that I drew in year 10, which was on my board in my house, my flat last year. Some cards. The other ones keep falling down, so these 2 will eventually fall down. Some running things, and then my beautifully organised shelf with books, cards, board games and jigsaw puzzles, anatomy books, motivational books, more fictional, more medicine, 2nd year medical student, and then in here is notebooks, more photos that I have printed, and pens, all sorts of just stationery. In here is electronics, so like Nintendo Switch, my extension leads, plugs and lighting and things. And here is some important documents, books for tutoring, and then a bunch of shopping bags and gift bags. Thank you for watching my 2nd year university house tour. If you want to see the before of this house tour, go back on my channel and watch that video so you can see how far the house has come. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed.